Hi viewers, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious Hyderabadi lamb biryani. Here's a 2 kg of lamb meat and 3 to 4 large onions sliced and frying in the oil. And here I've taken 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste with 1 tablespoon of salt, mixing the meat. Here's a few spices that I'm going to use for the rice. Here I'm adding them in the water. Here's the coriander powder. Here's the fried onion that's gonna on the meat, and garam masala and chili powder too. And here I'm straining the rice, adding the onion oil and the meat. That's the coriander. And half cup of yogurt. And I'm just mixing it well. And now it's the time for layering it. So here I've added the rice first, and then I'm adding the meat and the masala. Then I'm adding some lime juice. Here I've taken half cup of milk with some color added. It's your own choice, whichever color you want to put. Here on the top I've added the leftover of onion oil and coriander, some of the milk, and the final thing I'm going to add is ghee to make it more delicious. That's the tawa, it's gonna go on top. This is the final look of it. Looks delicious. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment, like, share, and yeah, bye!